Hello YouTube. So I do a quick video here, even though I've shown with many other videos that the Midland repeater is the Retevis. I showed it with the programming. I took the Midland programming software, hooked up to my Retevis. It programmed just fine. The data pins on the DB9 adapter are the same as the Retevis, but just in case, I just want to do this. Of course, now that's going to go off. Let me turn that down. Sorry about that. Well, anyway, at least you get to hear that work. What this video is going to be is kind of show the Midland users out there that this interface board does work with this repeater. What I got here is obviously the Midland repeater. It's hooked up to my interface board. That's plugged into the USB sound card. I have the cable running up, and I have it going to that Walmart cheap computer. Right now it's playing date and time over Zello, as you can tell because it's green, and over my radio. So it's doing that. When that gets done, I'm going to key up this radio, and you're going to hear me on Zello. Now, I can't put the radio close to my mouth because of the RF output of the radio. It cuts out my microphone, so and they can't hear me talk. So I'm going to have to hold it kind of away, and I don't know if you're going to hear it on Zello. I'll try my best, but that's what I'm going to try to do here, just to show you how it does key up. And I'm going to test this for a while just to make sure everything's good. This is hooked up to my test Zello repeater channel that I posted. I'll post a link to that. Now, I don't have the simplex repeater turned on right now. And I will be in the next few days. I'm having my internet connection here, and my camper is not real good. I have a cable, a long cable, a Cat5 cable that's bad. I have a new one on its way. So the Zello connection is so-so. It's doing it through wireless. So until I get a better stable connection, once I get that going and fixed, then I'll go ahead and get the simplex repeater turned on. And I like turning the simplex repeater on, as like I mentioned in my other videos, it records and plays back through the airwaves like somebody's talking. So I want to get that going so I can test this more. So, but like I said, it's going to be a few days for that because of my internet connection issue. So I'm going to key up this. I don't know if you're going to hear this or not, because I can't be real close. Otherwise, you can't hear me talk on this video. So I'm going to turn this down. It's probably going to have a ton of feet. I'm going to key this up. You'll see a red light on here, and this will turn green, and you'll see it. I don't know if you're going to hear me or not. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be a ton of feedback because I'm so close. Now I'm going to key this up, and hopefully you'll hear it on here. Again, my internet connections are not real good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it would help if I turn the volume up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there, like I said, I'm gonna have a ton of feedback because I'm really too close. But you get the point. So yeah, I'm gonna test this. Hopefully, this will be the last test for this interface board, and then we can get it out there for you guys to get one. But I just wanted to, test it with the Midland, just to confirm, just to make sure. Like I said, I'm going to test it a little bit longer yet, so be patient. I apologize for the delay in all this. I was hoping to have this done a little sooner and had the board out a few weeks ago, but things happen. I just rather test it just to make sure everything's working the way it should. I kind of figured it should work with the Midland, but you never know. So I'm going to run this for probably a week or so. I'm going to get that simplex going, and then you can come to the channel and play with it, my temporary repeater channel. Well, it's not temporary, but my repeater test, Zello test channel. So I will post that link down below. Like I said, I don't have the simplex turned on right now, so if you go there and try to talk, it's not going to record you and play back. But you will hear the date and time. But like I said, we'll try to get that going in the next 3-4 days. I gotta get this cable in, and hopefully that fixes my internet. because right now it's not real good. So Zello. So if you do go to my Zello channel, you don't see the repeater online. That's because I lost internet connection, because I'm doing this through Wi-Fi, a far distance away from the router, mind you. But you'll know, because the repeater won't be in the Zello channel. So if you don't see it in there, that means I lost internet connection, because like I said, I'm doing this far away. The router's like 100 and some feet away. I'm wireless right now until I get my CAD 5 cable, actually CAD 6 cable in. But at any rate, I just want to do a quick video. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.